Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Boost. In this video, we are going to discuss the reasons of transmission slipping. Let's start the video. A slipping transmission refers to the improper shifting and engagement of gears in an automatic transmission, resulting in a lack of synchronization between the transmission speed and engine speed. In an automatic transmission, slipping can be caused by wear and tear on numerous different parts. Transmission slipping causes. 1. Low transmission fluid. Insufficient transmission fluid is one of the most frequent causes of automatic transmission slipping. When the transmission fluid becomes too low or too high, the transmission cannot function properly. If your transmission is slipping, it is likely that the transmission fluid is either low or dirty. A decrease in fluid level reduces the necessary pressure for proper gear engagement, resulting in strain while shifting, leading to slipping and overheating of the transmission fluid. Likewise, aged or contaminated fluid, as well as a clogged transmission filter, may also cause transmission slips. Two. Burnt transmission fluid. Transmission slipping can also be caused by burnt transmission fluid. The burnt fluid smells like burnt toast and has an abnormally dark color. If the transmission fluid burns, it becomes ineffective. This can cause issues with most functions in your transmission and can therefore also cause your transmission to slip. If your transmission fluid smells burnt, it is definitely time to change it or replace any faulty parts in the transmission causing it. Three. Broken transmission bands. Transmission bands are internal parts of the transmission system that serve to disengage or engage the gears in a transmission. Over time, these bands can wear out, necessitating adjustments. In the past, the adjustment of the transmission bands was a common part of scheduled maintenance, particularly with older transmissions. However, in modern times, it is uncommon to have to replace these bands throughout the lifespan of a vehicle. 4. Bad solenoid. A bad shift solenoid is also a most frequent reason of the transmission slipping. A shift solenoid is an electronic valve that is responsible for regulating hydraulic pressure to ensure the precise timing of shifts in the transmission. If these solenoids falter, the transmission parts do not receive the necessary fluid pressure to engage properly. Consequently, bad solenoids may also lead to improper engagement of clutches and bands, resulting in slipping. 5. Faulty torque converter. The torque converter serves as the main connection between the transmission and the engine. When it becomes faulty, your transmission may show symptoms of slipping. Filled with transmission fluid, the torque converter utilizes this fluid to transform engine power into torque to turn the vehicle wheels. A major issue with the torque converter is the failure to produce sufficient pressure to transmit torque effectively, resulting in a slipping transmission. 6. Worn gears. Gears function by interlocking sets of teeth that grip and propel each other. If these teeth become worn down because of different factors like general wear and tear, age, or insufficient transmission fluid, they may fail to mesh properly or transmit power effectively. This can result in slippage. While it is uncommon for gears in automatic transmissions to wear out before the clutches and bands, if such wear occurs, it necessitates an expensive repair or replacement. 7. Software and sensors. Computers might be smart, but without artificial intelligence, they still rely on human programming. Errors in the transmission control module programming or signals from different vehicle sensors may cause transmission slipping. If there's an error in programming or in signals from the vehicle's various sensors, it could lead to or cause transmission slipping or stalling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.